Hello everyone, this is Zach with Metaverse Make, and today I'll show you how to install the lens protectors on your Quest 2. The process is very similar to the Quest 1, however where the Quest 2 has like more of an extrusion of its lenses, it can be slightly more difficult. In your package you should have received two lens protector rings. One of them is labeled, see if we can twist it around. One be labeled right. Another one should be labeled left. First we'll take the right one. Let me get around to it. And locate your right lens. And what you want to do is find the letter R and place it on your right lens just perfect. So the best place to place it is right here in the right-ish corner. So the R is right there. And you have to place these perfect because they won't fit any other way. Once you get it placed in place, you can press down the left and right side, maybe the back a little bit. And it should click on. I had some difficulty there. It's not too bad. You just have to make sure you get it lined up perfectly. And you press down on each side of the lens protector onto your lenses. Now, for some reason, it does. If it does snap in, it's what it's supposed to. But for some reason, it feels on level or wobbles. You may have pushed it too much, and you can just slightly pull out on the ring. See my finger. You can just let this pull out on the ring, not off, just out just a little bit, and it should lock into place. As you can tell, lens protector is on, and shouldn't be getting no worries. Now let's move on to the left. Locate the left ring, and you want to kind of place it the same way but opposite. So you want the L to line up with this corner right here. So once you locate the corner in the L, you'll place the ring over top the lens. You want to make sure it lines up perfect before you press down. And once you find a good spot, you press each side left and right. Like I said, you need to make sure it's perfect. And it should snap on. You should hear a click. If, like I said before, if for some reason you press too much or it kind of slips over, you can kind of lock into place and just pull out on the lens a little bit. The lens protector, my bad. And it should kind of click, or it should be firm. It shouldn't be sliding anywhere. Now this wasn't exactly a problem on the Quest 1, but where the Quest 2 has these extruding lenses out, it can slip down a little bit farther. Well, that's how you install the lens protectors on the Quest 2. If I can help you with anything, or you have any questions, concerns, or problems, or need further instructions, you can contact me on Etsy, and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.